Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing the operating system and updates you need on the server. Enable remote desktop in system settings and allow TCP port 3389 through the firewall. Create a dedicated user account with administrator or remote desktop users' rights and a strong password. Configure a static private IP or DNS name so clients can reach the server reliably. Allocate at least 3.5 Mbps upload per concurrent session to avoid lag during typical office tasks. On your workstation, open the remote desktop client application and choose New Connection. Enter the server IP or DNS name and append port 3389 if required by your network. Enable network-level authentication and sign in with the dedicated username and strong password you configured. Set the display to 1920x 1080 at 16:9 for a clear desktop view. Optionally enable clipboard, printer, and drive redirection for file transfer and remote printing. Harden the server by enabling two-factor authentication and restricting allowed IPs with firewall rules. Limit login attempts and use account lockout policies to mitigate brute force attacks. Patch the operating system and Rdp service weekly and verify updates applied successfully. Run full backups every 24 hours and test restore procedures to ensure data integrity. Set an idle disconnect after 15 minutes and limit concurrent sessions to 5 to conserve resources and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.